Dear students and learners, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well. Welcome you all to Raujan Ajamantra Online School. Before starting the class, I would like to introduce myself. I am Lutfun Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Raujan Ajamantra Institution, Raujan, Chattogram. In these pandemic situations, I hope you all are staying in your home and you are practicing your lessons with the help of your parents. To help with your lessons, we organized this online platform for you. I hope this class will be useful for you. In my previous class, I have discussed about lessons International Mother Language Day, Unit 3, Lesson T for the student of class 9 and 10 vocational. And today we will discuss part C and D from these lessons. Our today's learning outcomes is historical time and events, as you already see in this chart. Okay? English to English word meaning, and this is a very important point. You have to learn your vocabularies and synonym and the easy English meaning of the English to English word meaning and the questions related to the text. Okay, let's see. Here we can see that there is time mentioned, 3 years mentioned, 1947, 1948 and 1952. What exactly happened in these years? Do you know? In 1947, this is a very important year, memorable year, you know. In these years, what happened? In this year, Indian continent divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan was divided. In 1948, this year is mentioned in this text, and you already see the year in this text. In 1948, Pakistan Governor General Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu as the state language, I mean as the only official language. Okay. Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Governor General of Pakistan. Declared Urdu as the only official language. So, if a Bangalian wants to take a job in undivided Pakistan, they have to talk in Urdu, but this cannot be happen. That's why our brilliant martyrs protest against this unlawful decision. What happened in 1952? As in 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu as the state language of Pakistan, the valiant martyrs who laid down their lives, you already learned from these lessons, protest against this unlawful decision. That's why there was a movement that is known as language movement. So, this language movement goes in climax in these years. So, what happened in 1952? The language movement went in climax and police fire on the procession, on the protest procession in 1952. Okay, so we learn the time and events from these lessons. In 1947, India and Pakistan was divided. In 1948, the Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared Urdu as the only official language of Pakistan, and in 1952, what happened? The climax of the language movement and police fire on the protest, on the peaceful protest of the students procession in 1952 and killing Salam, Barkat, Shofir and Jabbar. Okay, and now part D. Okay, here you can see that match the words with their meaning. So you have to match the words with the meanings of the words. So we can say that here are some words from the text: tribute, climax, outlaw, defy, provoke, relent and momentum. And here are some meanings: to cause or to stimulate, to refuse, to obey, to give in, the ability to keep increasing or developing, an act to show respect or admiration, the most exciting point in time, to ban. Okay, so let's see the meaning of these words. Tribute, Shraddha; climax, Chorom; outlaw, Oboido; defy, Omanno; প্রভোক, উত্তেজিত বা উদ্দীপনা; রিল্যান্ট, শান্ত বা কোমল বা নরম, এর কোমল হওয়া; মোমেন্টাম, গতিবেগ. Okay, so let's see. To cause or to stimulate. Stimulate, we know the same words. Uttejito. To give in, to refuse to obey. So, tribute, Shraddha. What is the meaning of this word in English? Okay. An act to show respect or admiration. Respect, Shraddha, admiration, prashangsha. So we can match the words climax, চরম বা চূড়ান্ত, the exciting moment, the most exciting point in time. Outlaw, অবৈধ, and you know this common word ban, অবৈধ. Defy, অমান্য করা, to refuse, refuse, অমান্য করা, refuse to obey, মান্য করতে না চাওয়া. Provoke, already said that, stimulate, উত্তেজনা. Relent, কোমল হওয়া, to give in. Momentum, গতিবেগ. So where is the other words? The ability to keep increasing or developing, বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া. So tribute, an act to show respect or admiration. Climax, চরম, the most exciting point in time. Outlaw, অবৈধ, to ban. Defy, অমান্য, to refuse to obey. Provoke, উত্তেজিত, to cause or to stimulate. Relent, শান্ত বা কোমল হওয়া, to give in. Momentum, গতিবেগ. An act, the ability to keep increasing or developing. So momentum, the ability to keep increasing or developing. So you already know the events and time and the English to English word meaning. You can, I hope you can match the words from now on. Okay. So in the text we can see a question, why do we observe 21st February? Why do we observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day? Why do we observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day? Number 2, what happened when Urdu was declared as the only state language. State language of Pakistan. What happened when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan? And number 3, the seat, this line we have seen in the text, the seat of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. Do you agree? And if so, why? Why do you agree? Why do you agree with this statement? Okay. So, in number 1 question, there is a question that why do we observe 21st February as International Mother Language Day? Do you know why? To show respect or tribute to show tribute to the martyrs who laid down or who sacrificed their life. Sacrifice their lives for the sake of mother tongue, for the sake of Bangla. What happened when Urdu was declared? So, in number 2 question, what happened when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan? In this passage, we have seen that a storm of protest was held when the Governor General Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. So, we can write from the lessons that the declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. So, what happened when Urdu was declared as the state language, only state language of Pakistan? A storm of protest, raised when Urdu was declared as the only state language. Okay. So, in number 3, the seed of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. There is a statement here that the seed of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. Do you agree? তুমি কি এতে একমত? কেন? Why? So, we can answer that yes. Yes, the seed of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. The seed of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. As this is a movement against the Pakistani ruler. The valiant student protest against the unlawful decision of the government, and this protest make mass protest against the government of Pakistan, the undivided state. That's why the statement, the seed of independence was shown on 21st February 1952 is absolutely right. I hope from these lessons you can know many informations about the historical movement of the language movement. Okay, and you know the sacrifice of our valiant martyrs Salam, Rafiq, Barkot, Shafiur, Jabbar, who laid down their lives for the sake of our mother tongue. So, our mother tongue is very important, and in 1999 UNESCO declared mother tongue as the international, this day 21st February as the International Mother Language Day. Okay, so I hope this class will be beneficial for you, and you can see this class in our Facebook page Raujan Aichamutra Online School, and with in my YouTube channel Lutfur Nahar. Okay, until our next class, I hope you will remain safe and sound, and you will follow the hygiene rule. Okay, stay in your home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.